Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, I want to give you guys an update again on what's happening with Binance. Okay, we know Binance, okay, is in fact being sued by the SEC. Okay, so this is obviously some, terrible news, but this is in fact causing a lot of FUD. And in this video, I want to explain why. Okay, why we shouldn't be worried too much right now. Okay, yes, Bitcoin and other altcoins, right? The entire cryptocurrency market is in fact obviously, crashing. Okay. So I am in fact going to be buying some Bitcoin in this video as well, since Bitcoin is in fact, dumping right now. Okay. It's still below $26,000. Currently, it's currently at $25,800. So I think right now is in fact still a great time, to buy Bitcoin. Now, I made a video, okay, a couple of hours ago, right? 8 hours ago, literally 3 in the morning, okay? And this was pretty much when, news officially came out that, the SEC was in fact, suing Binance. So if you guys haven't seen this video, definitely check it out. But yeah, I want to give you guys another update on what's happening, okay, on this news, right, with Binance being sued by the SEC, right? So we know already, everyone is talking about this on Twitter, right? Everyone is talking about it. It's literally trending on Twitter right now. Okay, Bitcoin is trending. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin because of how much it has, dumped. And yes, Bitcoin has obviously dumped a fair bit. You guys can clearly see that, right? At one point, Bitcoin was just around, $26,800, and that's at $25,800. So it literally dropped, $1,000. Now, yes, this is in fact a decent drop, and that's why I will in fact go ahead and buy some, Bitcoin in this video. But before we do that, I want to talk about it. Okay, I want to talk about Binance, because there are in fact a fair bit of things that did in fact come out, and I want to talk about it in this video, right? So Cardano, okay, Cardano ADA, is Cardano a security? Well, the SEC, okay, is in fact saying that Cardano, Polygon, Solana, Filecoin, Cosmos, and Algorand, and many more other altcoins, right, crypto coins in the market, are in fact securities. Now, I just want to say this real quick, guys. If this is true, if Cardano, Polygon, Solana, Filecoin, Cosmos, and Algorand, and all these other, crypto coins, especially altcoins, right? Because we know Bitcoin is not a security. Okay, that's for a fact. And that's why I always tell you guys, when you're investing into cryptocurrency, you just stick with the basics, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, for Ethereum, yes, the SEC, okay, the SEC in the past have mentioned that Ethereum is in fact a security. Well, they tried to, but they couldn't, really explain why Ethereum was in fact a security. Because Ethereum, in my opinion, and I'm pretty sure, you guys can agree with me on this one, that Ethereum is 100% not a security, right? But, Gary Gensler is saying in the past, and he has said in the past many times, that Ethereum is in fact a security, but he didn't fully explain why. And when people ask him, right, is Ethereum actually a security, right? He doesn't really explain why. He doesn't really answers the question. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Okay, if all these other altcoins, these crypto coins like Cardano, like they mentioned, right, Polygon they mentioned, Solana, Filecoin, Cosmos, okay, and Algorand, if these crypto coins are in fact securities, and a lot of these are in fact securities, if that's true, right, if they really are securities, wouldn't you think the crypto market will drop to zero, right? If they are securities, wouldn't you think they are in fact dropping to zero? I'm telling you this right now, there's so much FUD going around the crypto space. It's funny to me, okay? Because a lot of people out there do in fact have paper hands. Obviously, okay, there's a lot of selling off going on right now in the crypto market. You guys can see the market is down over 4%, 4.6%, almost 5%. And the global crypto market cap has dropped a lot as well. It's right now currently at 1.09 trillion. Okay, so obviously there's a lot of selling off. A lot of people are in fact being spooked out by this news. Okay, that Binance is being sued by the SEC. It's causing a lot of FUD. Okay, it really is, guys. But I told you guys many times, okay, this is the perfect opportunity to buy more crypto, okay, to buy more Bitcoin, to buy more Ethereum, and to buy more other altcoins that you personally believe in, right? A lot of people out there that aren't in fact in the crypto space, that have paper hands, okay, they are sheeps, okay, they're following the FUD, right? And they sell off, okay, they panic sell, okay, those are the people, right, that will not hold on for too long, okay, and it gives us the opportunity to buy more, right? It really us, for all our diamond handers out there, for all our hodlers out there, right, holding the crypto for long term. This is our opportunity right now, okay, to buy more Bitcoin, to accumulate more Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, in my opinion, is always safe. There's no way that the SEC will target Bitcoin, right? Because clearly it's not a security, okay? No one's really behind Bitcoin, right? Like, Satoshi Nakamoto, right, the creator of Bitcoin, that's a anonymous person. We have no idea who this person is. Even Ethereum is fine as well. Like I said, in the past, the SEC has tried to, target Ethereum as a security, but completely failed, right? They have no real explanation why Ethereum is in fact a security. And we know, right, that the SEC does in fact have a court case, a lawsuit with XRP, Ripple, and they are in fact losing. In my opinion, they are in fact going to lose that court case, right, that lawsuit with with XRP, Ripple, okay, and I feel like that's why, okay, the SEC and Gary Gensler are in fact targeting other altcoins like Cardano, Polygon, Solana, Filecoin, Cosmos, and Algorand, like they mentioned right here in this article. And you guys understand, a lot of these altcoins have a large community, so they're spreading FUD here. You guys understand what I'm trying to say here? Okay, the SEC, okay, all these news articles coming out, it's spreading so much FUD and it's causing the market to crash. So don't think about it too much, guys. Okay, buy more. I really do believe, okay, we all should be buying some more crypto today, especially that the market is dropping right over 4%, pretty much 5%, right? So I think right now is in fact the perfect time to accumulate more crypto, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. There's just so much FUD that it's funny to me. Okay, it really is, right? Everyone's just panicking while I'm over here chilling and I'm buying more. Okay, I'm literally going to be buying more, and that's exactly what I told you guys in my previous video, the one I literally just filmed a couple hours ago, right? So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. But first of all, I want to show you guys this. Okay, some things that I found on Twitter that just made me laugh, honestly. Okay, so we know the SEC is coming for our crypto. Okay, it's coming for your crypto, right? We know the SEC went after BlockFi, okay, Kraken, FTX, okay, potentially, and now Binance, okay, now Binance. So this is funny. When I saw this was absolutely funny to me, okay, and also this is very important. This chart just shows you guys that days like this, right, news articles like this, bad news, right, with a major crypto exchange collapsing and whatnot, Bitcoin always recovers. It always recovers from bad news. You guys can clearly see, okay, back in March 2020, we had the COVID crash and we saw Bitcoin drop, and then we saw Bitcoin pump back up, okay, and then we saw KuCoin hack crash, okay, in August of 2020. Right, and then we saw a slight drop for Bitcoin right there, and then all of a sudden, okay, boom, Bitcoin pumped. Right, you guys can clearly see that. Okay, now if we go back to November, okay, last November 2022, that's when the FTX crash happened, right? And when FTX crashed, obviously Bitcoin was crashing and the entire cryptocurrency market was crashing, right? Who remembers? Bad times, right? Bad times. And Bitcoin dropped, right? It went all the way down to around like 15.8 thousand dollars, just below 16K at the time. And boom, we saw Bitcoin have a rally up to the upside. Okay, and now Binance. Okay, Binance FUD, June 2023, which is right now. We are in fact seeing Bitcoin drop. Eventually, Bitcoin will recover from this news. And when it does, we will in fact see Bitcoin pump up to the upside, like what it has in fact been doing from these terrible news that has in fact been coming out, right, causing Bitcoin to drop and whatnot, it always recovers back up. Okay, so this right here is just a perfect example of that, guys. Yes, there's a lot of FUD going around. Okay, I don't think we obviously should be worried right now, because you guys understand Binance has nothing to do with Bitcoin. Let's just say, for an example, okay, it really does. Binance is just a crypto exchange, right? And I really do believe Binance is going to be fine, right? Binance and the CEO, okay, of Binance, CZ, they have a lot of money, right? So we're gonna see what happens, okay, because the SEC could actually lose this, right? That they're suing Binance and whatnot. They could actually lose this, right? Like for example, Gary Gensler has called Ethereum a security and completely failed. This could be the exact same thing, right? Nothing is really 100% yet, right? Binance, in my opinion, is still fine. So we will see. This is just complete FUD, in my opinion. Okay, complete FUD. So I think Bitcoin will, okay, potentially pump to the upside. Okay, we will in fact see Bitcoin break above $30,000, and it will in fact continue to reach new all-time highs for this year in 2023. This rally that we have in fact been seeing for this year will continue. Okay, it will, right? So don't worry, guys, and think about it. If we really just zoom out, if we go to the daily time frame, let's have a look here what Bitcoin is looking like. All right. So if you really zoom out, you guys can clearly see that Bitcoin is still holding up very well. Yes, it has dropped significantly right here. Okay, and it could go down even further to $25,000, which is this target right here. Okay, and of course it could go down even more, right? And if it does, you guys already know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go ahead and buy more. But if you guys just really zoom out, this is the daily time frame right now. Bitcoin is still holding up very well. Yes, it's dropped, right? This is obviously a significant dip, but it's still holding up very well in my opinion. Okay, it really is. Do I still think Bitcoin can drop to $20,000? Yeah, potentially, but lower than $20,000, very unlikely to happen. Okay, very unlikely to happen, right? And news like this, right, that has in fact came out and Bitcoin has dropped like 5%. This is completely nothing, right? Completely nothing. We saw last June, right? June in 2022. Okay, a lot of things were in fact happening around the crypto space, negative things, and that month alone we had a 37% drop for Bitcoin. Right now it's only a 5% drop. So this is completely nothing. If you guys are watching this video and you survived all of 2022, right? You can literally survive anything. What we are seeing right now, okay, right now at this very moment is nothing compared to what we saw last year in 2022, right? So just relax, okay? Just relax. This is just complete FUD. Okay, there's a lot of FUD spreading around, and obviously a lot of people are in fact spooked by this and are in fact panic selling for no reason. They are panicking for nothing. Now, the Fear and Greed Index has dropped significantly, of course, right? Right now, we are in fact in fear mode. Okay, it's dropped back down to 44. I remember this was in fact around 53. Okay, literally just yesterday, it was in fact at 53. So we were in fact in neutral, but it's significantly dropped back down to 44, which means we are in fact in fear mode right now. Okay, so we were in fact in neutral for the past few weeks. Last month we were actually in greed mode, okay, at 64, but things have changed obviously. But soon enough, this will spike back up to neutral and greed mode very, very soon, because this will potentially happen for Bitcoin in the long term, right? We know the halving is about to happen for Bitcoin, okay? And once the halving happens, that is where Bitcoin tends to pump the most, and that's when we'll officially enter the next bull market, because obviously right now we're not really in a bull market, right? We're still in a bear market. We haven't quite hit its previous all-time highs yet. We're not even halfway through, so we're still in a bear market, but eventually we will enter the next bull market very, very soon. It's literally going to happen right around the corner. So let's go ahead and buy some Bitcoin. Okay, I want to go ahead and invest another $500 into Bitcoin, and I have been buying. I've been stacking into Bitcoin. I've been stacking into other altcoins as well, like Cardano. Okay, even Ethereum. I bought some Ethereum a couple of days ago, and I bought some other altcoins in this video as well. So if you guys haven't seen these videos, definitely check it out. Right. So let's go ahead and invest $500 into Bitcoin. Okay. $500, buy BTC. This is the amount of Bitcoin I'll be getting, confirm buy. And there we have it, guys. I just invested $500 into Bitcoin. And if I see Bitcoin drop further down to the downside, okay, if I see it drop further down, I will go ahead and buy some more Bitcoin, of course, right? If I see Bitcoin drop to, $24,000 or whatnot, I'm going to go ahead and buy more, right? I'm going to go ahead and buy more Bitcoin, of course, right? So I bought the dip. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are going to buy the dip as well. Let me know if you guys think Bitcoin will potentially drop further down. Personally, I think it will, right? But not too much. Okay, if Bitcoin does drop further down, maybe it'll drop to like, this level of $25,000 to the dot, right? On the dot, or maybe even 23, 24. We will see. But if it does, I will go ahead and buy more Bitcoin. But there you guys go. Okay, I just invested $500 into Bitcoin today, and I will potentially be buying more. But I just want to say this, guys, before I end this video. Okay, just hold on. Okay, just hold. Okay, don't panic. Okay, hold your investments. Don't panic sell. Think long term. Don't think short term. This is all FUD, right? It really is. They're trying to make you sell your assets, right? They really are, guys. So don't sell. Just hodl. Okay, ignore the noise. Okay, and just relax and buy more. Okay, this is obviously not financial advice. Okay, it really isn't. Of course, none of my videos is financial advice. So please, okay, please, always do your own research. But other than that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. More videos today will in fact be coming your way, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a blessed day as always, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.